Hello, people of YouTube. My name is WebWizard with 2B's and 2Z's, because that's just how cool I am. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we will be working on layouts. As you can see up here, I have named it Webpage Layout.html, and again, I am using W3 Schools as a little bit of a source. Alright, so let's get started here. First, we're going to start with every single document should start with the HTML. Now, again, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's a language, as it says on L. So just remember, Hypertext Markup Language. Bam. Alright, today we're going to make a layout using div elements. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put it into the body here. So what I'm going to do is type in div id equals quotes container style equals width of 500 pixels. Now basically what this is just basically a container. So let's go ahead and save it. Hold on, what did I do wrong? Nothing. It's just me. So what we're going to do, we're going to open up this documents, web page layout. Alright, well I haven't gotten it right yet. Style, but I'm not quite sure what I did wrong quite yet. Hold on just a second. Here. We're just going to go ahead and copy this. HTML, div IDs. Now let's see if that opens. Yeah, there we go. Alright, so as you will see, this is the main title of the web page. It's just a little box. We can make this bigger, we can make it smaller, and we can do whatever we want. Now, what also we can do is we can write our title. So, welcome to webwizard.com. We can go do, let's see, menu, we can do HTML, sure we can do, yeah, we can learn some CSS and some JavaScript. Yeah, sure. And we can put this as YouTube, and we can link it to my YouTube channel, just like we did in the last previous video, which my webpage.text looks like a little something like this. In case y'all didn't know, just a wizard's website, title, body. Alright, everybody remembers this. We can go ahead and put this. We can make it instead of A, backspace, paste that, and then we can put YouTube, and then we can go ahead and close it as an A. Now let's go ahead and save, see what this looks like, shall we? Oh, you can see YouTube, but this is no longer there. So it has to have these be all, not these, what it had before. So let's go ahead and undo all of that. Now if we save that, we go back to this. It has YouTube, but it's not quite. No, not a link. Now we can make this box bigger. We can make it like, let's make it 10,000, see what happens then. Whoa, it goes that way, a long freaking way. What if we made it 1,000? Since last time it was 500 and it was only half the page. What if 1,000 will make it the entire page? And you'll find out it is not. So let's go ahead and find out how big this is. I think it's about 1,500. What do you guys think? Looks like we are close, but it does not look like that is it. So let's try 1,400. Closer, but no. What about 1,350? Well, it looks like 1,350 is it. Maybe off by a couple, but look, this is a little bit off, so this is a little bit off. Makes it even. So we have found out that at whatever zoom I'm using, it is 1,350 pixels by question mark. Now we can make this box a little bigger. We should do that. Yeah. So let's go in 1,500 by. Hold on, I want to see. So it's 200 by 100. So this is 1,000. This can be 500. Now let's see what this one looks like. Yeah, there we go. But I have to scroll down to see all of it. So yeah, you can just mess around with that. I like it just like that. Let's go and do that. Alright. Now we can add a footer. As you can see right here, it made a footer. And then we can go ahead and put it, just be like, sub to me on YouTube. And then we can do, we can go ahead and close everything. Body and HTML. Now let's see what that looks like real quick. Sub to me on YouTube. Wow, it looks the same practically. So yeah, we are about 8 minutes into this video and we learned all of that. I'm so proud of us. Alright guys, what else we can do is we can do text fields. And basically what that is we can go ahead and put it, go ahead and make it a header. H-E-A-D-D-R. Close the header. Alright. Let's go ahead and put that in. Go ahead and put first name and last name. So if we save this, maybe, whoa, go ahead and type in your name. So and then enter, just in case you forget your name. So yeah, that's not that. We're not going to be doing anything with that yet, but just keep that right there. And hold on to it. Hey guys, if you missed my previous video, be sure to go check it out in the link in the description. You will enjoy it if you have no idea what I am talking about. Now, what else we can do? What else we can do is we can put password. So if we just do this right here, we can just be like, bam, bam. What's my password? So we can just F5, oops, wrong F5. Now we have a password right there. But what if we want that under there? Oh, too bad. Yeah, now we're gonna work on radio buttons, and basically it's just this little checkbox, yes or no, input type, radio, name, sex, value, male, BR, into female. So if we just save this right here, you can just copy all of this down, pause the video. Now we go into web page layout. You can also check if you are a male or if you're female. So yeah, so my password can be blah 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 blah, and it will show up in dots in case someone's looking over your shoulder. You sneaky snakes. So yeah. Oops. And if we separate these out a little bit, nothing's gonna happen. Alright guys, we are back, and as you can see down here we put who brought you to the site, input type checkbox, name is YouTube, value YouTube, and if you came to my channel through YouTube, and I mean my web page through YouTube, let's see what this looks like. Who brought you to the site? YouTube or a friend or both or one or the other. It's a checkbox. Now you can also, by changing one little word, you can change it to not text but a radio. So if we just change radio, and if we change radio, we can bam. But I like the other one. I like checkboxes. So yeah, that's how you do checkboxes, guys. Now what we're gonna do is a submit button. So if we just come back up here to form, I'm going to put it right there. Username, password. So if we just save this, let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Now you can suddenly put your password in. Username. Let's see. Password. First name. And we submit everything. Now it knows me. Now, so far, you can't really do anything with that. All it knows is that it recognizes you. So yeah. What I like about check boxes is you can unclick them. You can't unclick these. So yeah, there's that. So with that, we learned how to input a password and a submit. Now, what if I put a submit on all of these? What will happen? Let's see what happens. Whoa. The first name is Evan, so we can go ahead and submit that. Cancel. We can go ahead and submit that. Username. Wizard, submit that. Submit that. And submit that. And it's all right there. Now, this will not show up whenever I do this, whenever y'all do this, because it'll just stay the same, and I'll fix everything whenever I create my website. So yeah. Alright guys, now we're going to learn about iframes, which are right here, 34 and through 37, and basically, if we just save this, this is what it goes ahead and looks like. 5, it will look like that if iframes do not display. Now, yeah, you can see some older browsers don't support iframe. I'm on Google Chrome, and it is not working. So I choose not to use iframe, but if you guys want to, then feel free. So let's just close out of that, restart it. Not that. And we still have all of that. So yeah, iframes, not the greatest decision. If it doesn't show up for you, it might not show up for someone else. So yeah, we're not going to go super in depth on iframe, but yeah. So now I'm going to tell y'all about Rgb color values. HTML colors are defined using hexadecimal, is what they're called, notation, or also known as hex. So if you see X, then it means hexadecimal. For the combination of red, green, and blue, RGB. The lowest value that being given is 0, and the highest is 255. So like, if we were here, let's just open a new text real quick. Alright, so this is just gonna be a text language. Alright, so if you had RGB here and it was 0, 0, 0, that means there is 0 red, 0 green, and 0 blue. Now, if the RGB is, here, let's just work on that one. If the RGB is 255, it will be red. If it is 255 right here, it will be blue. And if it is 255, oops, it is 255 here, it will be blue. Sorry, this was green. I meant green. Since it's red, green, blue. Now, if you insert a certain number of each, so like 192, 192, 192, it will not be completely white, it will just be a little bit gray, because since there's 192 of each, not the full 250 that there can be. So yeah, you can't really do, like, here, if you go to w3school/html/html_colors.asp, or in the description, then it will tell you more about colors. Yeah. Now we're going to learn a little bit about JavaScript, so we're just going to go ahead and put it in the header. Even though I did close the header, so we don't need all of this anymore. I'm pretty sure we went over all of that. So now we're going to do script. So document write hello world. So if we F5 this, hello world. That's basically of just putting in a paragraph or something like that. But what about it since there's script? No script. So if we put, let's go ahead and erase this. If we put hello world. So if we just F5, hello world, and this does not show up, then it will say, sorry, your browser does not support JavaScript. So if we open this in the internet, which is going to be super slow. Sorry, your browser does not support JavaScript. Pretty cool. I think. I mean, it's really up to y'all. So, yeah. That's really all about that. What about entities? Entities just less than, greater than, ampersand, cent, pound, yen, euro, section, copyright. They're just little, there's these things. I'm sorry, I copied a little bit too much, but there's these things. This thing, this thing, this thing, these things. So yeah, you don't really need to learn about those. Alright guys, this is the end of this video. Whenever we come back, I will help you make your own sample website. Yeah, that's right guys. We're going to put everything together that we learned in this video and in the previous video, and we're going to put it all together and we're going to make something out of it. Something good. So we're going to make these links actually go somewhere. We'll do that in the next video, which may take a little longer than usual. So tomorrow maybe just be a random video. So yeah guys, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Take care.